Did you know the way your furniture is placed, or even the color of your walls, could actually affect your health, wealth, and happiness? Welcome to Feng Shui by Sandeep Raut. Today, I want to walk you through 5 Feng Shui secrets that every beginner should know. These basics will totally change how you look at your space. Let's kick things off with the first principle. Everything is energy. Feng Shui says that everything around you holds energy, or qi. That means your home, your desk, even your front door aren't just objects. They're part of your energetic ecosystem. Keep your space clean and uncluttered so energy can move freely. Now, principle 2, the command position. Where you put your bed, your desk, even your stove matters. You want to be able to see the entrance to the room without being directly in line with it. This small shift instantly helps you feel more secure and in control. Principle 3, balance the 5 elements. Every room needs a little bit of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Think a plant, a candle, some stones, a metal frame, and maybe a water feature or mirror. When these elements are balanced, your space just feels right. Fourth, your front door is the mouth of qi. It's where good energy enters. Keep it tidy, well lit, and welcoming. Seriously, clean that doormat and fix the squeaky hinge. And finally, principle 5. Intent is everything. Feng Shui isn't about superstition. It's about living with intention. Every change you make should have a purpose, whether it's peace, abundance, or health. Start small. Start with intention. Trust that the energy will shift. Like, share, and subscribe for more ancient wisdom made simple. And hey, drop your questions in the comments. I'll personally respond. When your space flows, your life grows.